Hello, my name is Rogelio Blanco and I'm going to talk about example number 11. In this example, we're going to program a liquid crystal display, which will allow us to display messages. Usually, using a microcontroller for this type of display takes up a lot of space. However, thanks to the I2C protocol, we will be able to program it using only two pins. We are going to make use of four libraries which will allow us to make use of the LCD much more efficiently within Microchip Studios. However, in these libraries, we are going to have to make a couple of modifications in order for it to work in Proteus simulation and for it to work physically. As you can see right here, there are two configurations. One is for when you want to test it in real life, and the other one is for when you want to test it in Proteus. So in order to test it in Proteus, we're going to have to change this in order to make this one a command and the other one a message. After doing that, we're going to have to click on build for every single library that we have included within the program. Then we will include the lcd.h library. Next, we're going to create strings of characters in order to make the messages. Here is our message, which is a simple testing message. Here we have our main code. As you can see, we can use many commands that are included because of the library like this to initialize the LCD. We can see these commands right here on lcd.c. This will include some comments that will explain to us how they work and how we can use them. So if you ever get lost and don't know how to control the library, you can always enter and see how it works. Now after having seen the commands, we can proceed to the main tree. LCD go to XY will allow us to change the rows and columns of our LCD. In my case, I'm using a 16 by 2, the most standard one. Afterwards, we're going to use LCD print in order to print our message that we have created. And then we'll go to the second row and we will print the second message. Then afterwards, we are going to command it to clear the message that we created in order to make space for the next one. Here is the diagram in Proteus. We are using a PCF8574 in order to integrate the I2C protocol into the LCD. Physically, this is already connected if you get an LCD. Now, it has two push-off resistors that which will filter out any interference with the protocol and allow for a clearer image right here in the LCD. Now I will load the program and the message will be displayed. Here I have the LCD physically. We don't need to put the push-up resistors because they are already integrated. As you can see, here is the message.